then. 75145 Star Wars Eclipse fighter. What did we end up with? This is the little rover that Dengar drives when being chased by the Eclipse fighter. Nice little, it's not a pod racer, but nice little motor, simple. And the main Eclipse ship, I think it looks pretty good when you rebuild it. All the sheen tiles and the cockpit gave them a good buff up as I was doing it. It took me quite a while, but you know, a little bit of soft cloth, looks absolutely brand new. Bit of articulation, obviously that comes up and there can go in there if you want to lay it down, and you pull the two parts apart, and that's where you get you into warp mode. Yeah, I think it looks good. Now it's got a couple of these missiles that you push in, and if you buy this second hand, you've got to watch out because these fly out, you know what I mean? So, and the other one there, if you get one of those in the eye, you're going to know about it, aren't you? So there it is, Eclipse Starfighter. Well worth hunting out second hand online, I think. Yeah, for what it is, 363 pieces, that's got to be one of the best 360s I've done.